Hello kids, how are you? This is your teacher, Mr. Raul Mendoza, and in this opportunity, I will explain how to do the practice activity about homophones. So we will continue with the same topic this week, topic 9. Could I be an inventor? So look at the pictures here, these beautiful kids inventing something in the robotic class, a new invention here. Look at this car. This car can drive by itself. Look, you can read and the car drives on its own. Imagine that, kids. Wow. Look at these inventions here. Wonderful inventions, right? So we will use this topic and we will be learning about homophones, as it says here. So what are homophones? Let's read the definition here. It says, homophones are words that sound the same, but they have different spellings and meanings. For example, see, or see. So, as you can see, we have the letter C, the sea, the ocean, or see, what you do with your eyes, right? So, notice that these words are spelled differently, but they are pronounced the same. We pronounce the same, C, C, C. And this is what we are learning about homophones, all right? So we will be working with the phonics and spelling book. And if you are using the digital book, if you click in this space here, this is page 54. So we're going to do from page 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. From 54 to 59 this week, okay? So let's go to page 55. It's important that you listen to all these exercises, okay? These are to practice your listening skill this week. So the first instruction says here, listen and repeat. You click in here, you listen to the homophones, and it's important to pronounce them. For example,
Track 71. Homophones.
homophones.
8.
8.
B.
B.
C.
C.
Hour.
Hour.
No.
No. As you can see, this is only an example. You need to listen and you repeat, okay? I will leave you the links in the Moodle so that you can have access to all the recordings and you practice your pronunciation of homophones, all right? Now you practice the words as I showed you. And now here it says color the homophones in page 54, the first exercise. So what you do, if you are using the digital book, you choose the color, or if you are using your physics book, you just can circle or use a highlighter, okay? So sentence number 1 says, I read a book with the red cover. I read a book with the red cover. This is in the past. Listen. I read the book with the red cover. You can see here, let me make it bigger. Yes, that's better. You can see here red and red. Yes, they are homophones because we pronounce the same. Now number 2, we ate breakfast at 8 o'clock. What 2 words are homophones here? Very good. 8, the action of eating your food, or 8, the number. You see? So you do this like the examples in this part. Now, listen and follow. This is just a listening practice. Let's listen and follow, okay?
Track 72. See the sea. Fly to flowers. Be a bee.
So you listen, you repeat, and then what I want you to do, okay, in your books, is to circle, okay, all the homophones. C, 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 and C. B, B. Yes? So you circle all the homophones as I am doing here. I will erase because these are only examples. All right. So you listen, you have fun singing, and then you circle. Now in the next page, okay, that's for page 55. In page 56, it says, choose the correct words to complete the sentence. So we have options here. I can better with my new glasses. Which word do you think is the correct one here? Yes, very good. I can see better with my new glasses. Okay, here you only select the correct homophone to complete the sentence. All right. So in all this part is like that. In all this page 56, is only selecting the correct homophone. Now page 57, match the homophones. For example, here it says B, that's number 1. So I will match it with B, this one, B, and also the verb be. You only write the number. Also, if you are with your book, you can use lines like this, all right? You can also use lines, but I prefer to use numbers because it looks better for me, right? I'm in the digital book. Now, that's the first part here in page 57. Then you will complete the sentences with the correct words. 8, hour, no, hour, there. So, for example, number 1 says, the kite costs dollars. What do you think? What word goes here? It's a number. Very good. The number 8. So the kite costs $8. So that's it. You see? I think that's it in page 57. There is one more part here. So it says, drag the incorrect homophones. For example, here in number 1, Jen and Will already bought their movie tickets. So this is the incorrect one, the one that says there. What will you do? In your books, you will cross it out, okay? And here you will write it. Yes, you will write the correct one. In this case, okay, as we can see here, their movie tickets doesn't have sense. It doesn't have sense. So you will just drag it here. Yes? And in the next part, this is only an example, okay? In the next part, here, you need to write the correct one. Jen and Will already bought their movie tickets. Here, you need to say their movie tickets. Why their? Because there is incorrect. I will cross it out. It doesn't have sense. But if you say Jen and Will already bought their movie tickets, the sentence has sense. All right, so this is what you will do in this part. You cross out the incorrect homophones and you write the correct homophone on the line. Okay, so that's in this page. Let me erase this part here. All right, yeah, I erased. That's in this page. Now we go to page 58. In this page, you listen and follow, and also you match the homophones. For example, you have numbers here, all the words that are homophones, and here down you have letters, more homophones. You need to match. Let's do an example.
Track 73. 1. Here.
Here. So I will just, you listen and you repeat, okay? I'm showing you one example. Look, here. Now we go down and we need to find one word that is the homophone for that. We have flower, here, not, by. Oh, look, here, when you listen, or here, like my house is here. So, kids, I think this is B. You see, you match. Number 1 here, you only write the letter. Matches with here, B. All right, that's how you do this activity, okay? So that's it. It's only matching. Now we go to the next page, which is the last page you will be doing this week. It says, drag the homophones. So look, say, see, she. So which one is the homophone? C, okay, and C. Remember, homophones are words that we pronounce the same, but we spell differently. So, and that's it. You will write or drag the homophones here in this box in page 59. All right? All the pages like that. Now here, we need to write homophones. Look, the instruction says write homophones from the previous exercise. For example, number 1 says ent, and one homophone of this is ent. Yes? That's it. So, you will write the homophones with the others. And finally, you will draw people in the future using a new invention, because the topic is, could I be an inventor? And we have been talking about inventions. I want you to draw something here showing people using a future invention, something that you think would be a wonderful invention for people. Yes? So that's gonna be all for this week. Remember, you will be solving the phonics and spelling book. You will be practicing the pronunciation from page 54 to page 59. All right? So, goodbye. See you. Bye-bye. Bye, kids.